What's up everyone, welcome to another video. So I just broke the stock center drive shaft in this mini slash, so I got an upgraded one. Let's throw it in and see if it works. One definitely looks a bit better than the old one. Now here's the piece that I actually broke. Just half of this snapped off. This is what this piece has to go into. And it's just, the plastic just snapped. So here's what I'm replacing it with. This definitely looks just a little bit nicer. Look at that, both of them are in. They look so nice, 10 times better than the originals. So now we just have to take it outside and give it a torture test. So I kind of ran out of time to film. I've had a few pretty busy days, so I have like 10 minutes to record this right now. But don't worry, we will do a much longer running video of this testing out the actual drive shaft, so make sure you're subscribed for that. Also, more crawler content coming, and we still have to figure out how to mount this halo body onto the Telluride, which looks absolutely amazing. So make sure you subscribe for all of that, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one.